Well, hello there and welcome to my channel. I feel like I'm doing some kind of interview or something because I'm sitting here on this chair, my legs are crossed, and I just feel like I'm being all prim and proper. But anyways, that's besides the point. So today I'm going to be doing a first impression of a product I just got. I haven't tried it yet, but I have done some swatches just to see what the colors look like, but I haven't actually tried it on my face yet. So I'm really excited about that. Another thing I'm excited about is the product I'm gonna be reviewing is from the company called Flower, which is owned by Drew Barrymore. I see these products all the time and I always wanna try them, but I just haven't yet. So I seen this on Octoly and I went for it. I put an order in and I got it. So thank you. So the product I'm gonna be reviewing today and trying is this Galactic Glow Holographic palette, and this is a highlighter palette. Like I said, it's from Flower. So I'm gonna read the back really quick. It says, take on a celestial inspired glow with our new Galactic Glow Holographic face palette. Loaded with 3D refractive pearls and prismatic pigments, it imparts the most otherworldly sheen. The universally flattering shades deliver intense color payoff while blending seamlessly into skin. Featuring 2 holographic highlighters and 2 magically metallic shades to create an out-of-this-world lit up look. So then on the back it kind of gives like instructions for golden halo, radiant halo, prismatic halo. It tells you what to mix together, where to put it, and all that fun stuff, which is good for people who's never used a highlighter before if you don't know where to put it. It tells you you can put it on your cheekbones, your brow bone, your cupid's bow, the bridge of your nose, inner corner of the eye, and even on your décolleté. So seeing as there's only 4 shades and only 1 face, I'm wondering which color I should try. I'm really drawn to this one. This one here is like a golden shade. This one is a lavender shade. This one's kind of a light pink, and then this one just looks like a shimmery champagne color. I really love the packaging of this though. It's so like unicorn-ish, but I'm torn in between which one I want to try. But honestly, I'm really drawn, I'm drawn to all of them, but I'm kind of drawn to this purple one. I'm also drawn to this one. I can't choose. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this purple one. You know what? I'm not going anywhere today. I might do like all the shades in different places. Let's see. So I'm gonna pick up some of this purple, and it's picking up really well on my brush, as you can see. You can see the purple shade in it, but it's reflecting really good. That is so cute. So I'm impressed with this girl. Hey girl, hey. So on this side, I'm gonna go in with the champagne looking shade. Girl, 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 do you see that? Now I'm gonna go in with the light pink shade just on my nose. Ooh, oh, girl, oh Lord. Okay, so I put a little bit too much. It's actually really cute. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's got a pink tint to it. Now I'm gonna go in with the gold, and I'm just gonna put it up here above my eyebrow. And you know what? I didn't know if I was gonna like this gold one a lot, but I am loving this gold actually. I'm gonna be glowing major. This has got to go. That was too much, girlfriend. So overall, first impression, I think these are really good highlighters. And you know what? I thought I was gonna like this one the most, but that champagne one, I think it's got it going on. I think I would like the pink one a lot more if I hadn't put like so much on my nose, but that's my fault. And it would look like really perfect if I hadn't caked it on. And this gold one, I surprisingly really like it. It's got a lot of gold to it, but it's actually really pretty. I'm like super impressed with this product though. This is a drugstore product. I don't know where all they sell it, but I do see it in Walmart all the time. So to think that you could go right there to Walmart and pick this up and get that much of a highlight out of this little palette, I think that's awesome. Not even sure how much it costs either, because I did get it complimentary for a review. Is it crazy that I just kind of want to like... I am impressed with you, Flower Beauty. And you know what? I had me some makeup spray ready just in case I needed to spray my brush, because I do that sometimes when I'm using a highlighter. But honestly, Girl, this didn't need nothing but itself. So thank you so much, Octoly, for hooking me up with this gorgeous palette from Flower. Like I said, this is called the Galactic Glow Holographic Palette. The packaging is just so cute, and I'm just really impressed with these highlighters. So if you're looking for a highlighter, you walking around Walmart, girl, you need a highlighter, I would stop at that Flower Beauty section, because this highlighter palette is the bomb.com. I will definitely be using this more in the future. I just think it's a great product. I would love to know what you think. Which was your favorite color? I'm not even sure if you can see the gold, but it is up there. This one was the purple, this was the champagne, and you've seen the pink. The pink was actually really pretty. I honestly just like put way too much on my nose. Also, really quick, I wanted to say I wanted to do this review just as a dedicated review to that product, because before I used it, I really wanted to see what it looked like on other people. So I got on YouTube and I was looking it up, and I don't know if it's just me, like I personally couldn't find any, but I couldn't find any videos that was like dedicated just to that product alone, like a review video or swatches or anything. So I felt kind of bummed about that. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna dedicate my whole little review video just to that product, just in case there was anybody else out there like me looking for reviews and swatches on this and you wanted to see what it looked like. So that's why I went ahead and did just a video for this. Like I said, maybe I just personally couldn't find one, I don't know, but I just didn't see any. So I'm just here to let y'all know, girl. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're already subscribed, then thank you. And also don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you'll always know when I upload a new video. I guess this video is done, girl. I'll see you next time. Bye.